Toki, me and Koa. Hello, I'm Ko. This is episode 3 of my Toki Pona series. Let's get right into it. If you watched the previous episodes, you should already know how to make basic sentences like onali moku e kili. Now let's go deeper into this word. E marks the object of a sentence. The object is the thing receiving the action. So in mi moku e kili, moku is the action, and kili is what the action is happening to. So this means I am eating fruit. Let's look at another example. Onali lukin e kili. Lukin means see or look. So this means they see fruit. Now let's try variation. Mi lukin e kili. I see fruit. Now let's learn a new word. Tawa. Tawa. Tawa means move, go, or to. This is what it looks like. So now you can say mi tawa, or I go. Let's expand it. Mi tawa e kili. This would mean moving or taking the fruit somewhere. Let's try one. How would you say they go to fruit? Good. Onali tawa e kili. Let's recap. E marks the object of a sentence and the object receives the action. And you learn two new words, lukin and tawa. Lukin means see, look, or watch, and tawa means move, go, or to. Now you can describe more actions and movement in Toki Pona. Next episode, we'll keep building on this and start combining ideas in more flexible ways.